Hello, welcome to the Photoshop CC for web design. My name is Abhishek and I will be your learning guide throughout this course. I am using Adobe Photoshop from almost 15 years. Currently, I am working as an assistant professor, Department of Computer Science, Varanasi Hindu University. In last 15 years of time, I have seen many variations in workflow of Adobe Photoshop using by artist and the web designer. This is the fundamental course design for students, and here we learn how to make next level of web design using the Adobe Photoshop. If you have searched on Google for the term web design, you will find most results may focused on entire web design and development process, from defining the scope of work, gathering the content and wireframing to designing products and testing to post-launch the website. Well, that information is good to know, but I will share you my own efficient way to design the website from concept design to ready to go website. Some of the major topic I will cover you in this course is defining the role of Photoshop in web design, optimizing Photoshop to make them amazing web content, discover tools specific to the Adobe Photoshop that will make web graphics an easy way to design, your wireframe of responsive web design to conceive not only visual design, also the user experience as well. You learn the mock-up of web page with web-based photographs and of course from photographics as well. A web design workflow is the process you follow with the series of steps as you develop a design of website. To work efficiently, there should be some logics and order to the task you perform to create the design. The main goal is to work efficiently as possible as to reducing the tendency and streamlining the designing process. During this course, I will share you new skills and techniques that you can certainly adapt it for any future website making. For making a website, we should really a lot of focus to the designing process. So, if you talk about the designing, we should know about the element of design. So, element of design means the basic component involved with the creating any design, whether it's a form of print or web. Before we start the designing, we should know about the principle of designs. There are 10 principles of design. They are into the particular order. First, contrast, emphasize, balance, unity, pattern, movement, rhythm and repetition, proportions, simplicity, and 10th one is the gradation. So if you talk about the contrast is a just juxtaposition of opposing element by way of using different colors, tones, directions, lines, shape, etc. to the show emphasis. Emphasis happens when attention is focused on a single area within a design to assist the viewer in understanding visually that this particular area is more important than other area within the design. If you talk about the balance occurs in a design when the element as whole have a feeling of equality of weight, attention or attraction. If you talk about the unity tends to harmony. It's referred to the pleasing arrangement of any part within the composition. Pattern often you a way to keep your design organized as well as providing a sense of harmony through the use of repeating elements. Movement in a graphic design, it's referred to the suggestion of actions or any direction. Rhythm and repetition, it's really very essential term of design element. When we talk about the rhythm and repetition, it's referred to the repetition of an element in a design that create a visual rhythm. If you talk about the proportions deal with the visual relationship between two or more things in a term of size, number or the degree. If you talk about the simplicity deals with the elimination of any non-essential element or details to reveal the essence of form. And last one is the gradation. Gradation refers to any gradual change in a design that occurs by a series of stages, steps or a degree. By the end of the course, you will be able to create your own custom web graphics ready to go website using the Adobe Photoshop. But before beginning the course, you should be familiar with the computer graphics operation and some basic principle of design. I hope that you will join this journey of web design and learn and enjoy a lot in this fundamental of web design course in Swayam Move platform.